Quickest way to deal with this question is going to be to do some algebraic division. X plus 2 into x squared plus 8x minus 3. So x squared divided by x gives me x, multiply back through, minus 6x minus 3. X is into 6x, go 6, multiply back through, minus gives me minus 15. This is my quotient, so it's x plus 6, and then the minus 15 is for my remainder. I haven't actually divided it by x plus 2, is what is going to go here. It's minus 15 over x plus 2. It does say find the values of the constants, so we should just write them down. It's not enough to just leave it like this. I mean, you might get away with it, but I wouldn't, you know, I would make sure I write them down. A equals 1, B equals 6, and C is equal to minus 15. Okay, let's talk about an alternative way to do it, and it's to use the ideas of partial fractions. So we've got x squared plus 8x minus 3 over x plus 2 equals ax plus b, and then it was plus c over x plus 2. What we could do is times through by x plus 2. This is an identity, sorry. Okay, it's definitely more complicated, so I'm not saying you should do it this way, I'm just saying you could do it this way. And just like with partial fractions, we'll substitute some values in. Okay, so let's go with x equals minus 2. Then I'd get 4 minus 16 minus 3 is equal to c. And that's going to end up being minus 15. Okay, just like before. Then I'll go with x equals 0. So I'll get minus 3 is equal to 2b. And then minus 15, I can substitute that c in now that I've already calculated. Add 15, that's going to give me 12. So 2b is 12, so b is equal to 6. Okay, then I just need to find out a. Probably the best way to do this one is to compare the coefficients. Okay, lots of different ways you can do. You can substitute in a different value if you want, like x equals 1. But if I just look at the coefficients of x squared, then on the left-hand side, I've got 1, and on the right-hand side, I've got a. So a has to be 1. And we're done. We've got the same answer, just with a slightly different method. Hence, using algebraic integration, find the exact value of this integral. Okay, remember, it's the same function, and we've been guided along. So what we're going to do is write it as we did in part A. So it's going to equal the integral 6, 0, then I've already actually forgotten what it was, x plus 6 minus 15 over x plus 2. So integrate gives us a half x. By the way, you can't just put this in your calculator because we're being asked to write it as a plus b ln 2. You can use your calculator to help you, of course. All right, this one here, this is a 1 over x kind of integral. Don't forget 1 over x integrated is ln the modulus of x plus c. Okay, this is very similar. Sort of use the chain rule to help us, but the plus 2 actually doesn't affect anything. We're going to get 15 ln x plus 2. Because when you differentiate this back, you get 1 over x plus 2 times by the derivative of the inside, it's just 1. Evaluate between 0 and 6 and substitute in. I could do this by hand, I think. Like, you can put whatever you want into your calculator. Just be careful to keep the stuff in terms of ln. So 6 squared 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then plus 36 minus 15 ln 8. And I'm minusing, all of these are 0, minus 15 ln 2. So this becomes 54 plus 15 ln 2 minus 15 ln 8. So 15 ln 2 minus ln 8. I'll write it like that. This becomes ln 2 over 8 using that rule of logs. If we have ln a minus ln b, then it's ln a over b. So 2 over 8 or a quarter. Oops, sorry, ln a quarter, I should say. Right, the only thing is we're asked for, we're asked to write it as ln 2. So I've got a little bit more to do. Okay, I'm going to do it in 2 steps. I'm going to first write it as minus 15 ln 4, because a quarter is 4 to the minus 1. And then actually I'm going to rewrite it 4 as 2 squared. And then I can bring that 2 down using that third rule of logs. 54 minus 30 ln 2. But there's other ways you could get there from here. That might not have been the best, to be fair. Maybe I should have changed it to a minus here and made it ln 8 minus ln 2. I don't know, but anyway, as long as you can get there, that's the main thing. 54 minus 30 ln 2 is our answer for this integral. Great.